Hi all and welcome to this new Crypto Bros video, on this occasion presenting Cairo Finance, whose tokens, vesting and staking contracts are triple audited, as we can check in their white paper. First, because they are templates from unicrypt.network and thus they are audited by Chain Consulting. Then because they've got their own audits, as we can check through this link. And finally, for instance, with the main utility that we will explain later, Pharaoh Farm Pod, these contracts are immutable, which means that they have been white hacking by Immunify and no changes can be done after the contracts are deployed. Let's explain the striking points of this interesting platform. You can find all the related links down below this video, and remember that we don't give any financial advice, so please do your own research as always before investing on this project or others. Well, as mentioned here, Cairo Finance is an all-in-one solution idea with its own deflationary system, which can offer all DeFi products on one platform with many utilities. And its mission could be summarized as simple and powerful community-driven finance for the entire globe, focus on realizing profits, being up-to-date, being decentralized as well, being also comfortable, offering AEC access to the most profitable DeFi products on the market, and paying special attention, as we have mentioned before, to security with closed and specialist tested code for reduced attack vectors. Cairo Finance has also some special features such as burning program. It is also fully decentralized. There is no owner or administration function, and there is constant buy-side pressure. Among all the utilities of the platform, we want to focus on Pharaoh Farm Pod. We can access by clicking this button. This Pharaoh Farm Pod is a high-risk, high-reward contract as mentioned here, and the goal here is to spread the word about Cairo Finance and its great ecosystem while earning up to 1% per day for a maximum of 365% of the amount in our deposit players. That is, as we can extend our earnings through team-based referrals, as we will explain later. Essentially, when we deposit through here native tokens that are called CAF, we will earn daily returns of up to 1% for a maximum of 365% of our deposit amount. Upon reaching 365% returns, we must then double up our initial deposit to maintain our profits and avoid losing our structure. We can expedite reaching this 365% by referring others, but it is not possible to earn more than this 365%. Referral rewards can be claimed at any time, but caution is advised. Do not spend more tokens than necessary for the required double deposit. There is also no compounding function, and still we can save rewards for the double up, or we can create a new account and enjoy advantages of compound interest. Now, how to invest? First of all, this platform is built on the Binance Smart Chain, so we'll need to change our MetaMask to the VSC network in order to operate through this platform. To buy these native tokens till they launch their own swapping exchange, we can use PancakeSwap. For instance, we can click this button in order to go directly to this website, and once here we can search the native token. Here we can place CAF and import this token. Once here we need to click I understand, import, and once here we need to connect our wallet, remember, in the Binance Smart Chain network, and we can swap BNBs or other tokens or stable coins to the CAF ones. We have decided to buy through PancakeSwap 250 CAF tokens, and we have decided to place here a referral code, and now we're going to deposit this amount of tokens basically by clicking here. And once that we click and this is refresh, we have to pay some fees. It is said that there is a 0.10 dollars paying this small fee, and we confirm. And once that we refresh the website, we can find here the final deposit without the fees, and the maximum payout, that is 365% in the best scenario. And then the available tokens that we can withdraw once that the time comes, and then also the referral rewards, the claim rewards, and the teams depending on this referral list. As for the team building, indeed, if we go to the white paper again, as we can check here, it will help us to get faster to our these 365%. First level will give us 10%, then 2.5%, and finally at level 7 we can reach another 0.5%. As for sustainability, this Pharaoh farm pod is sustained by continued community support, just like every other crypto high yield project, but the main difference is that this Pharaoh farm pod also has a mechanism payout structure plus anti-dump mechanisms to guarantee this sustainability. Besides, Cairo Finance generates revenue in CAF tokens through different products and can top up the contract too. Here we can see the payout structure, the taxes that we have explained previously, and the anti-dumping mechanism, where depending on the amount that we have out of the total supply, will be charged with additional withdraw taxes till even a 50% additional withdrawal tax. And finally, as for the contract security, once again, this is very important for this protocol. The Pharaoh farm pod contract is verified, open source, immutable, and trustless, and is visible here on this link to VSC scan, where we can check that the maximum supply will ever exist is 77 million, and thanks to buybacks and burns, nearly 3 million have been already burned. Moreover, the Pharaoh Farpod also passed successfully an audit from Paladin Audit, Solidity Finance, and the Stamp. And that's all for now. A very interesting platform, and this amazing Pharaoh farm pod utility is different to other miners thanks to its better sustainability, the external revenues through all the products, its treasury that will be filled every month. This is very important to point out, with big partnerships to come, and many features that we'll explain in all the videos, such as this staking part, the Cairo pad, the casino, the NFTs, and so on. Don't forget to like, subscribe there, and our channels, comment this video, and see you in the next one. Thanks.